Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running. First of all, apologies, it's been a while since I put out a video, but here we are doing another video. Hope you guys enjoy it because I've got a new toy to try out. It's basically a new drone, a DJI Mavic Air2S that my partner actually just bought me for my 30th birthday. I didn't run parkrun today, I've got a race on tonight, but basically I wanted to come out and I wanted to film the parkrun where it all began for me on my drone, and so I hope you guys enjoy the footage.
A stolen identity. You know I see through anything. I'm a one-man army with a bitter sting. You give me no reasons. I'm broken to pieces. There's no one who can erase. Of what I wanted ever since the party started. If there's a way for me and you, then I know just what to do. I know it doesn't matter. I'm broken and I'm shattered. There's no one who can erase. Stuck inside a frame. You know that's why I don't behave the same. Whenever you are here, I see clear, shed a tear. Don't know if I can pretend all the way to the end. You know the truth is hard to bend. You cannot seem to get to me. I am back with a stolen identity. You know I see through anything. I'm a one-man army with a bitter sting.